friends, this is Raman Gill with your daily Forex market analysis for November 25th, 2016. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. If you have questions about your individual investing needs, I recommend you talk to your investment advisor. Let's have a quick look at our news for tomorrow. The most important news here we have is second estimate GDP numbers for the British pound, which is coming out at 4:30 a.m. Eastern. Other than that, the rest of the day we only have yellow news. In the New York session, though, we do have this goods trade balance number, which is important for the US dollar, even though it's marked as yellow. This is an important number. Other than that, it should be a pretty normal day. It is Black Friday, so a lot of people will not be trading, and we may get a range bound market. Let's move on to the charts here. This is pound US dollar daily chart. And we are still sitting in this range, and we are likely to stay in the range even tomorrow because it is Black Friday. A lot of people will be off tomorrow in the US, so not expecting a lot of activity. However, there is the GDP number coming out for the British pound, so that could have an impact on this. And we may see the British pound break out of the range because of the GDP number. Right now, it's just stayed in this very, very neutral candle here for today. So we are just expecting to trade the range. If it goes up to 125.20, we're looking to sell, and if it comes to 123.00, we are looking to buy this. However, if the GDP number comes out positive, we could see the pound break through the range and go beyond the 125.20 number, and in that case we'll be watching this 126.80 level, the pin bar up top here. That will be our next target level to the upside. However, on the downside, we could see it break down below the 123.10 number. However, the likelihood of it doing that is not that high, so we may have to just wait till Monday for more volume to come into the market and see some action here. Looking at the euro US dollar chart here, again we have a very, very neutral candle for the day, and that is to be expected because of Thanksgiving here. For tomorrow, we do see that the price is pushing up high. This 105.80 level is still the resistance to the upside here. If the price breaks through this level, we could expect it to go into this range up here, the high of 106.65 level all the way to the top here. So that's for our euro here. Looking at the 1 hour chart, this is a level that we are playing with at the moment, 105.80 level. If the price stays below 105.80, we are looking for the price to come down towards the S1 here at 105.20 level, or even towards 105.100 level. New Zealand US dollar daily chart here, we are still trading in this range. The price did come and test the bottom of the range at 69.70 level, and since then has pushed up higher. Now we are looking for price to stay in this range and potentially get into the 70.30 level, or even all the way to the top of the range here at 70.80. But at this point, we're looking for the price to stay within that range, not really looking for the price to break out. The bottom of the range here is 69.70. If the price does break out to the downside here, the next level that we are watching is 6900. Aussie US dollar here, very, very bullish on the daily here. Right now we did see a positive daily close, and now price has broken up beyond the resistance level here and moving on to the next level. The target here is 74.50, which is the top of the pin here, and if the price moves beyond that, then we'll be back into this range here. But for tomorrow, in terms of the overall trading activity, I don't expect it to be a lot because of the holiday in the US. It's not an official holiday, but a lot of people will be taking the time off. Looking at the 1 hour chart here, we do have this R2 level at 74.50. This is where we could see the price come into trouble and then bounce off of that. If the price stays below R2 at 74.50 level, we're looking for a price to come back down into the pivot, or even into S1 at 73.70 level right here. Dollar CAD here, very much range bound. This week, a lot of stuff has been range bound because people are taking holidays. So do keep that in mind. And tomorrow is expected to be the same. It may be a good idea to take a day off just because of the low volatility in the market right now. In this case, for dollar CAD, again, we are in the range. And with the pin bar we have here, we could see the prices move down into 3400 level, which is the bottom of the range here. Not really expecting the price to break down through the range. That may be for Monday, but for now we're just expecting the price to trade the range. If the price comes into 3400, we're looking to buy. If the price goes up into 3600, we are looking to sell. Right now it has been making series of lower highs, and as such the likelihood of it coming towards the bottom of the range at 3400 is higher. Looking at the 1 hour chart here, as we can see, price has been making lower highs. We do have a pin bar here, so we're looking for price to come down towards S2 here, 134.39, and even towards the bottom of the range here at 13400. That's it for now. I will see you next time.